Finite state automata. Finite state automata, there are two types of. One is finite state automata without output, another one is finite state automata with output. The finite state automata without output, there are three types are there. One is determined DFA, another one is second one is NFA, another one is epsilon NFA. DFA means deterministic finite automata, NFA non-deterministic finite state automata, epsilon empty non-deterministic finite automata. In the diagram, the arrow is indicating initial state, single circle indicating any state, double circle is indicating final state. Double circle is indicating final state. Okay, what is deterministic finite automata? What is deterministic finite automata means from the current state, only one character, from the current state, current character, it is possible one way only. There is no multi-choice. Single choice will be there. From the current state, the input alphabet will be possible to move any other state. Only one possibility is there. The formal definition of finite state automata, it has 5 tuples: Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, F. Q is a set of state. Q is a set of state. Sigma is a set of alphabet symbol. Delta is a transition function, delta of Q, current state and current character, and it read current from current state to current character it will read, and it will reach to Q. And Q naught is a initial state, F is a set of final state, F is a set of final state, F subset of Q. Example 1, construct a DFA that accepts set of all strings over 0, 1 of length 2. So here sigma value is, input alphabet is 0, 1. What is the language? Set of all strings over sigma, the length is 2. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. This is the language which is accepted by this DFA. Now we will draw the diagram. Q0 is the initial state, Q1 and Q2. Initial state, it is starting with this arrow. The final state, double circle. Other states are single circle only. So here 0, 1, 1, 0. Then here don't care state, that is 1, 0. This one is a self loop, 0, 1. Okay, now I am going to take this example 0 of 0. Initial state is Q0. From Q0, 0 is reading and it is reached to Q1. From Q0, input string is zero, 0. From Q0, 0 is reading and it will reach to Q1. Again, from Q1, 0 is reading, it reached to Q2. Q2 is a final state. So this string is accepted by this DFA. Suppose if you take the input string 0, 1, from Q0, 0 is reading and it will reach to Q1. From Q1, 1 is reading and it will reach to Q2. Q2 is a final state, so given input is accepted by this DFA. Suppose if you take this example 1, 0, from Q0, 1 is reading and it will reach to Q1. From second character Q0, from Q1, 0 is reading and it reached to Q2. So Q2 is a final state. The given string is accepted by this DFA. Suppose my input string is 0, 0, 1, 0. You take this input 0, 0, 1, first 0. From Q0, 0 is reading and it reached to Q1. And the second, from Q1, 0 is reading and it reached to final string Q2. From Q2, 1 is reading and it reached to D. Last character is 0. 0 is a self loop. From D, 0 is reading and reach it to D itself. So string is over, but here it is D is not a final state. So given input is not accepted by this DFA. Now I am going to draw the transition table. What are the states? Here state Q0, Q1, Q2, D. Q0 is a initial state, you should mention the arrow. Q2 is a final state, you can mention with the star. What are the alphabet? 0, 1. From Q0, 0 is reading and where it is reached Q1. From Q0, 1 is reading and reached to Q1 itself. From Q1, 0 is reading and reached to Q2. From Q1, 1 is reading and reached to Q2. From Q2, 1 is reading and reached to D. From Q2, 1 is reading and reached to D. From D, 0 is reading and reached to D itself. From D, 1 is reading and reached to D. This is the transition table for this DFA. So the states you should write in the column wise. Here zeros and ones are two alphabets. Q0 is the initial state. That's why you should mention with the arrow remaining state. So you can write down. And Q2 is the final state. You can mention with the star. So from Q0, 0 is reading, it is reached to Q1. From Q0, 1 is reading, it reached to Q1. From Q1, 0 is reading, it reached to Q2. From Q1, 1 is reading, it reached to Q2. From Q2, 0 is reading, it reached to D. From Q0, 1 is reading, it reached to D. From D, 0 is reading and reached to D. From D, 1 is reading and reached to D itself. These two are self loop. Okay.